All right, friends. So today we are going to be looking at how the magic E changes our vowels and make them say the long sound. Here are our vowels. A, E, I, O, U. When a word has a magic E at the end, it will make these vowels say their own name. It will make the A say A. It will make the E say E. The I will say I. The O will say O. And the U will say oo or you. So let's take a look at our worksheet, and we are going to spell the words. All of these words have long vowel sounds, so they will have a magic E at the end of it. Let's take a look at our first word, 5. Our first word is 5. I, v, 5. I only heard 3 sounds, I've, but there are 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is because that last box is for the magic E that we cannot hear. Remember, the magic E does not make a sound. So let's write our first word. I, v, 5. Let's not forget our magic E because that vowel I, is saying its own name. It's saying I. So for the reason it's saying I is because it's getting some powers from the magic E. Let's take a look at our next word. Mule. 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 Let's write our next word. You. And let's not forget our magic E because that vowel U is saying you. Let's take a look at our next word, which is bone. B-O-N. Bone. I only hear 3 sounds, but there are 4 boxes because of that magic E. B-own. Let's write our next word. B-O-N. Bone. I know there's a magic E because that vowel O is saying oh. So it's having to get some powers from somewhere, and it's getting its powers from that magic E. Our next word is lime. Lime. Ooh. Lime. Let's spell our next word. Ooh. Lime. That I is saying I. So that means there's some magic E because that I is saying its own name. Ooh, lime. Our next word is cake. Cake. Ache. Cake. That is part of the ache word family that we have learned in class. Ache. Cake. That A is saying A. So when a vowel is saying its own name, we know that there's a magic E giving it some powers. The next word, I want you guys to try these on your own. The next word is cone. Cone. K-O-N. Cone. K-O-N. Cone. That O is saying O. It's saying its own name. So you know at the end of this word there should be a magic E. The next word is whole. Ole. Whole. That O is saying its own name. So that means that at the end of this word, there should be a magic E. The next word is mice. Ice. Mice. We learned about the ice word family. The ice word family. I will do this one with you. Ice. ICE is the ice word family that we learned about. All right, let's do the next one on your own. Kite. 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 That I is saying its own name, so that means there should be a magic E at the end of this word. And the last word is nine. 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 That I is saying its own name. It's saying I. So that means there should be a magic E at the end of this word. All right. At the bottom of this paper, you are going to be making a sentence using a word that we just wrote. So I'm going to help you out by starting your sentence off for you. I want you to write, I see a, let's pound that. I see a, let's count the words. I see a, let's write that many lines. I see a, and then the last word is the word that you're going to choose from the list with a period. So you should have 4 words. I see a, and you fill in the last word. A cake, a lime, a bone, a mule, a cone, a hole, a kite. I see a mule, right? Mule on the blank line. I see a bone. You can write the word bone on the last line. I see a lime. You can write lime on the last line. I see a cake. You can write cake on the last line. I see a cone. You can write the word cone that you wrote by yourself on the last line. I see a hole. You can write hole on the last line. You wrote hole by yourself. Or kite. You wrote kite by yourself. I see a kite. Write this sentence. Make sure your name is at the top of your paper. Turn it into the black bin. Once you are done, you can write the room.